Okay, welcome to the second video of the training series on web development with WordPress. So we've explained a lot of things in the first video, but here we are talking about domain hosting, domain and hosting. And the website I'm recommending for you is called whogohost. That is the website I'm recommending for you to get your domain name and hosting. If you want to follow along with me, just go ahead. You will see the link in the description of this video. Once you hit it, it will bring you to this page. Go there and click on Get Started. Under cPanel Hosting, click on Get Started. Click on Get Started. Once you click on that, it should take you to this place. It should take you to the next page where we are now. And one of the major reasons why I recommend this particular hosting company is because of their speed and uptime. There is what we call speed. That is the speed at which your site loads, and uptime. Your website is always online, not some hosting company that will disappoint you. So once you go to this place, just scroll down a little bit. You have to click on Pay Annually if you want to save 20% and also get your domain name for free. You save 20% on the payment because you are paying annually, and at the same time you are going to get domain name free. So these are the different plans. We have the Aspire, the Premium, the Pro, the Deluxe, Supreme. If you look at the Aspire plan, you will see that we have a 2 GB space, 10 GB bandwidth, 4 subdomains, and the rest. That is still a good option if that is what you can afford, but I will recommend the Premium plan. If you look at it, you will see it's for basic websites, which is what you are trying to build. You see that it has 6 GB web space. That's I think 30 GB bandwidth. That's 10 up to 10 subdomains. You have a add-on and the rest of the options there. So just if you are going along with me, just go ahead and click on Choose Plan under Premium. So once you click on that, it will bring you to this next page where you have to choose the domain that you want to use on this hosting. Just leave it as default. It says register a new domain since you don't have a domain before. If you have, you can transfer it, but as a new user, I don't expect you to have a domain before. So now here where you have example, you have to just cancel it. That is where you enter your domain name. Domain name simply means how you want to be addressed online. How do you want people to find you online? For instance, I'm saying free soft skill, just for example. Then you don't need to add the extension. At this other side, you choose extension. You see .ng, .africa. We call them domain extension. That is what is at the front of your address. But all of this will cost you money. .com cost about 4,500. .ng cost I think 9,000. But the good news is that if you see .com, .ng, .org.ng, .name.ng, they are actually free as long as you are paying annually and you are choosing any of these packages here. So look for .com.ng there or .org.ng and click on check. So it will carry out a check to see if someone is already using that website name or other domain name or is available. So if it's available, you get a congratulatory message. Okay, all right. I try to pause the video. Sometimes you can see congratulations, freesoftskills.com.ng is available. 1,002, but don't worry, you're not going to pay. Just click continue. Click continue. You are not going to pay 1,200 extra after you must have chosen 1 year payment. Okay, so once you click on that, it will bring you to this page. You will see that we have 700 naira as our total, and that is for 1 month. You can also go ahead with 1 month, but that means you pay 700 and you also buy the domain for 1,200. But if you change it to annually, as I've done like this, come to this place annually, and you can see the free domain is there. So it will load up and it will now load your total payment, and it will change to 7,000 instead of 8,400 for 7,700 times 12, and then the domain name, all of that will be settled with 7,000. So all you need to just hit continue. When you hit continue, it will load the final stage, which is review and checkout. So if there's anything in your cart that you want to remove, but I believe you are not going to have anything like that because you are just registering. So you should have something like this: Linux hosting and then your domain name. So from there we scroll down to this place where you see create new account, that is under billing details, and here you have to enter your name. Please make sure you use your real name. This one is not social media. You have to use your real name, hence you may be having problem when your site is having problem and you are contacting the domain hosting. They might say you are not the owner. Please make sure you choose correct details, your correct billing details. For me, because I'm not going to buy this, I already have, so I'll just enter something random in all the details. Fill in your first name, your last name, your phone number, your email address. If you have a company name, put it there. My street address, I just put Gariki because I'm in Abuja. City, I put Abuja. And then the country, select Nigeria. Postcode, you can say I'm putting 200, 900, 200. If you don't know your own, just simply head over to Google very quickly and search. Put your town and put the postal code. You get it from there. So that is that. Then once you fill up all of this, to say customer category, you can either choose web designer or choose individual. How did you hear about us? It will be filled automatically once you use my link. So it will be filled automatically. Don't change that. Pick a security question and then give the answer. Just pick any of the security question and fill the answer. Make sure you remember that because when you have problem, you will use it. For the password, put a very strong password to protect your account. Make sure you use very good password, at least letters and numbers. So for the domain registration information, just leave it. Use default content since you are the same person doing the two. I recommend you mark this out so that you will not be getting unsolicited SMS when they say receive email. I have read, mark it, and then click on checkout. Once you click on checkout, it should load, and they will send an email to validate your email address. After this one has loaded, let's just wait a bit. The network is delaying. So that is it. Basically, it's not difficult. Once you are through with this and it loads up, the next thing, yes, say please check your email and follow the link to verify your email. Please make sure you go over to your email and verify the email. Click on verify email. Once you've done that, then you come back here. It says your invoice is unpaid, 7,000 naira. Once after verifying, just come to this place and click pay now. Pay now. Make sure you verify before you pay, please. Just come back to this place after verifying, and then you click on pay now. Once you click on pay now, the payment window will open, and when the payment window opens, of course, I believe most of us watching this video have made one payment or the other online before. It will display a place where you enter your card details just the card number, expiry date, and the CV. And once your payment is successful, your details the details for you to log in to this particular website or to do anything here will be sent to your email, which you already verified, and we'll take it up from there in the next video, where you will be talking on how to use the interface and how to actually start building your website. If you have any question, any comments, please put it down below in the comments. Make sure, please, at least I'm doing all this for free. One thing I require from you is make sure you subscribe to this channel, and hit the like button, turn on the notification, so that once the videos are dropping, it's a long course, so you make sure you'll be getting notification. So like this, you can say it has come out, enter your card details, your CV, boom. I think that is all for this particular video, so I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. See you soon.